Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, boys, I was using the Bryson shotgun, and I dropped a nuke with it, or an MGB, whatever they called it in this game. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure to like, sub, do all this shit down below. Sorry for the lack of uploads recently. I've been working a lot and just don't really have the time with work and, trying to grind the Orion camo. So I will have more videos coming, definitely when I finish the Orion camo. So yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, like, do all this shit down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Dude, no way y'all just got slammed like that. Dude, they're all back here. Holy shit.
Nigga, but he still did it, nigga. Nigga, don't do that.
Wait, I might be able to drop an nuke.
We need overtime.
You've been sitting behind a fucking deployable shield.
Enemy UAV active. Unloading.
Need a scar though.
Oh, you ran.
I can't even see. Oh my god.
Yo,
Thanks. That's
Don't do it. If you're still on your nuke, don't even try it.
and such a bitch right now.
Instead, I'm trying to hurry up and get these niggas off this shit.
Behind us. Yep, that's one.
There's two there. There's two in there.
I got it.
That's it. You got it? Let's go. Call it.
I'm going crazy though. Oh my god, they all spawned on me. Holy shit. Let's go.
look at you. You still on the ground.
There's no way they're going 100 games with
Call
me.
it and get you.
That guy just stuck me. But without getting booted, so they have
Yes,
to.
sir, let's fucking go.
Oh
You
yes
got the
sir, we got a
Nora?
nuke.
A bad vocalist called a MGB. I definitely did not. Why did it say my
Who got the
name?
nuke?
Mm,
Why did it say my name,
Word.
bro? What the fuck?